First up is the spider plant, a fantastic beginner plant. This lush green houseplant is a real winner for those starting their journey in the world of gardening. What makes the spider plant so great for beginners? Well, it's all about its low maintenance needs. It's one of those delightful plants that don't demand too much of your time or energy. It's content with a bit of water and some indirect sunlight. But the spider plant isn't just easy to care for. It's also a powerful purifier of indoor air. That's right, this little plant works hard to filter out common household toxins from the air we breathe. And let's not forget its quick growth. You'll be amazed at how fast those spider-like offshoots start to appear, adding a lively touch to any room. With just a bit of water and indirect sunlight, the spider plant can truly thrive. It's a perfect green companion for any budding gardener. Next on our list is the snake plant, another low-maintenance gem. Often referred to as the mother-in-law's tongue, this plant has an exotic architectural beauty that is hard to match. Its tall, pointed leaves are a striking feature that can add a dash of drama to any space. What makes the snake plant ideal for beginner gardeners is its ability to survive in less than ideal conditions. It's a plant that thrives on neglect. It can tolerate low-light conditions and doesn't need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is one thing that can actually harm this hardy plant. But there's more to the snake plant than just its aesthetic appeal and hardiness. This plant is also known for its air-purifying qualities. It can filter out toxins from the air, making your living space healthier. The snake plant is a surefire way to add some green to your space without much effort. The pothos plant, with its heart-shaped leaves, is another great choice for beginners. This plant is not just beautiful, but also incredibly resilient. It's a survivor, thriving in a variety of lighting conditions from low light to bright indirect sunlight. So whether you have a sunny windowsill or a gloomy corner, the pothos plant can adapt and flourish. But what about watering, you ask? This plant is quite forgiving. It doesn't need constant watering. In fact, it's better to let the soil dry out a bit between watering sessions. This way you avoid overwatering and root rot, common pitfalls for novice gardeners. The pothos plant is also known to purify indoor air, making it a healthy addition to your home. With its cascading vines and lush green foliage, it can truly transform any space into a green oasis. The pothos plant can truly make your home feel more lively and welcoming. The ZZ plant is a hardy option that's perfect for those who might forget to water their plants occasionally. Originating from East Africa, this plant has evolved to withstand periods of drought, making it incredibly tolerant to less than ideal watering schedules. Its glossy, lush green leaves can brighten up any space, even in low-light conditions. Yes, you heard that right. The ZZ plant doesn't demand a lot of sunlight and can thrive just fine even in the dimmest corners of your home or office. Now don't expect it to grow like Jack's beanstalk overnight. The ZZ plant is a slow and steady grower, but its resilience is what makes it so special. It's a plant that says, I can handle it, no matter what it is. So if you're looking for a plant that requires minimal care, but still adds a touch of elegance to your space, the ZZ plant is your guy. The ZZ plant is a testament to the beauty that can come from resilience. The peace lily is not only beautiful, but also incredibly easy to care for. This plant, with its dark green leaves and white flowers, is a popular choice for indoor gardening. Despite its elegant appearance, it's not a diva when it comes to care. The peace lily is quite forgiving and can thrive in medium to low light conditions. So whether you place it in a bright room or a somewhat darker corner, it won't throw a fit. It's not a sun worshiper, which makes it perfect for indoor spaces. Moreover, the peace lily prefers its soil slightly moist, but not soaking wet. A good rule of thumb is to water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. This plant is also known for its blooming habits, producing lovely white flowers that can brighten up any room. The peace lily can bring a touch of elegance and tranquility to any space. With its easy care and stunning appearance, it's a great addition to any beginner's plant collection. English ivy is a classic plant that's surprisingly easy to grow. With its trailing vines and lush green leaves, it's a favorite among gardeners and home decorators alike. One of the most appealing things about English ivy is its adaptability. It's a plant that is comfortable in various light conditions, from partial shade to full sun, making it a versatile choice for different parts of your home. As for the soil, English ivy prefers well-drained soil. It's not a fan of sitting in water, so make sure to allow the soil to dry out between waterings. And remember, while it may start off small, English ivy is known for its rapid growth. In no time at all, you'll see those vines reaching out, creating a beautiful natural spectacle. So, whether you're draping it over a shelf or letting it climb up a trellis, English ivy can truly add a touch of class and sophistication to your home. The jade plant is a great option for those looking to try their hand at growing succulents. Known for their thick, fleshy leaves that store water, jade plants are a dream for those of us who may sometimes forget to water our green friends. This hardy plant thrives in plenty of light, so a sunny window is its ideal home. While they love light, jade plants are pretty laid back when it comes to their watering schedule. They prefer to dry out completely between waterings, which means you won't need to be constantly checking the soil moisture. One of the most appealing aspects of the jade plant is its longevity. With proper care, these plants can live for decades, growing into large, tree-like structures that make a stunning addition to any room. The jade plant is a symbol of good luck and is a great addition to any home. The philodendron is a versatile plant that's perfect for beginners. This tropical beauty is known for its heart-shaped leaves and climbing or trailing tendencies. It's a plant that brings a dash of the rainforest right into your living room. Now let's talk about light. The philodendron is not a fan of direct sunlight. Instead, it prefers a spot where it can enjoy indirect light. Too much sun can cause its leaves to turn yellow. So if you notice a yellow leaf here and there, it might be time to relocate your plant to a shadier spot. When it comes to watering, the philodendron likes its soil to be moist but not soggy. Watering it once a week should do the trick. But remember, every plant is unique, so you'll want to monitor it and adjust as necessary. And the best part? This plant grows rather quickly, so you'll get to see the fruits of your labor in no time. The philodendron is an excellent choice for those who want a plant that's easy to care for and looks great. Last but not least is the aloe vera plant, known for its healing properties. This green gem is a sun worshipper, thriving best in spaces with abundant light. So if you've got a sunny windowsill or a brightly lit room, your aloe vera will feel right at home. But don't let the sun fool you into thinking it needs a daily drenching. Aloe vera prefers a less is more approach when it comes to watering. It's a succulent after all, storing water in its leaves so it can go for quite a while without a drink. Wait until the top 2 inches of soil are dry before quenching its thirst. And let's not forget the reason why it's a household favorite. Got a minor burn or a skin irritation? Break off a leaf, squeeze out the gel, and apply it directly. Aloe vera is not just a plant, it's a handy first aid kit right in your home. And there you have it, 10 plants that are perfect for beginner gardeners. From the resilient spider plant to the evergreen snake plant, each one offers a unique charm while being pleasantly low maintenance. The pothos plant, with its heart-shaped leaves, and the ZZ plant, known for its lush foliage, can surely add a touch of green to any corner of your home. The peace lily, English ivy, and jade plant are not just easy to care for, but they also offer air-purifying benefits. The philodendron, with its vine-like growth, and the aloe vera, with its soothing gel, are amazing additions to your indoor garden. Each of these plants can thrive in various conditions, making them ideal for novices and experts alike. The world of gardening is a journey of patience, learning, and growth. And remember, every gardener was once a beginner. Be patient with yourself, and happy gardening.